The Anunnaki were known to use physical technology, including devices on their wrists. Devices that resembled a watch, or perhaps like an Apple Watch or iPhone. Let me pause here for a moment because many Anunnaki scenes, including showing some on their wrist like a watch, what is that? Are you ready for more consciousness expansion? Perhaps the ancients were far more advanced than we could even imagine. Perhaps that wristwatch-looking device represented the accumulation of technology in one device, exactly like an iPhone or Apple Watch or Android device, perhaps used for time telling, communication, teleportation, healing, reprogramming DNA, camouflage, defense bubble shield, call your ship to you, and even time travel. What about that flower-looking symbol on the watch? Perhaps that represented a frequency. Frequencies like we can observe through the science of cymatics, harmonious geometric shapes and symbols. Cymatics is the study of visible sound and vibration. It usually entails sand or water on a vibrating plate or speaker. Different frequencies of sound produce distinctly different geometric patterns. Can't be, but somehow is. Cymatics as demonstrated by Nigel Stanford in this video. Perhaps the frequency pattern on that wristwatch of the gods would change depending on what was being activated. Cymatic frequency symbols that can be seen on Tartarian buildings, such as Westminster Abbey in England, perhaps to indicate which type of frequency that structure would generate. The frequency symbol on Westminster Abbey does look to be a similar frequency symbol on the watch of the Anunnaki, perhaps indicating reprogramming DNA in a positive way. Remember that if you want to understand the universe, think of energy, frequency, and vibration. All of creation is a symphony of sound. It's a symphony of light composed of photons, which are literally sound waves in the ether. Perhaps you are literally a symphony of frequencies within a symphony of realities. Perhaps our DNA is our computer source code that defines who we are as we render our human avatar body made up of frequencies to these exact X, Y, and Z coordinates of time and space within this hologram. Perhaps you are like cymatics, but far, far, far more complex than just one single frequency. A symphony of complex frequencies generated by your DNA and RNA that makes you you.